I'm Betsy Helmuth. I founded Uploft Interior Design because a lovely home should be a right, not a privilege. I saw how overwhelming and expensive the interior design process had become, so I built a better way. The Makeover Plan is our most popular offering. In just 2 weeks from visit to reveal, you get a clear, actionable plan to transform your home. The Makeover Plan can be done anywhere in the world virtually. However, most people opt for our in-person option. First, we kick things off with your site visit. Then we create your floor plan together, live, using our proprietary system.
So this is the living room.
No surprises, no waiting to see if we're aligned. You're gonna leave the meeting knowing exactly what's possible. It's actually our client's favorite part. 2 weeks later, you receive a curated plan. Everything is clickable, and you're never obligated to buy anything. If you want help bringing it to life, we can connect you with trusted handymen, painters, and wallpaper installers. There's no markups, no pressure. This 30-minute Zoom call is extra bonus time with your designer. We review the transformation, adjust as needed, and fine-tune the details. We've created a smarter, more transparent way to design. We're transforming interiors and the industry.